Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. Today is December the, December the 16th. Time's just going by so fast. Today is December the 16th. So that means we need to open box number 16 from our advent calendar. I have a link below if you want to check out all the other videos that I've made showing you what's in this advent calendar. So box number 16 is, right here. So here we have a little box. Looks somewhat like a big tall house. So let's open this and see what's inside. I have a feeling it's going to be some sort of a crayon or something. Let's see if I can get this open. Come on. My goodness, it just doesn't want to open. There we go. Well, they're not crayons. Come on, get out of there. There we go. It's two little felt markers. So there's an orange and a purple. Really cute for Halloween. They would be great little additions to a Halloween craft. Let's see what they look like here. Well, they write nice. I'm not even writing words. I'm just scribbling. They write very nice. They're bright, vibrant colors. These will make a great addition to our stash of markers and whatnot that we've been receiving so far in this advent calendar. And I think that they're beautiful colors. They're bright, and the markers themselves have a nice big tip on them, and they seem to be a lot of liquid, so it's not like they're dry or anything. I think it's going to be great. There's no name on these, and there's no colors, there's nothing. They're just markers. So I want to thank you again for joining me today on this, again, short little video showing what we received in box number 16 of our advent calendar. So I really hope that you join me again tomorrow when we will open box number 17. Thank you again, and happy crafting.